Uncover the transformation of manufacturing through the eyes of Tim Grant, the founder of Business Solution Providers. Tim began his journey as an accountant, only to realize manufacturing clients needed more than basic bookkeeping services. He identified an underserved market, focusing on inventory and manufacturing issues for small and medium enterprises. With specialized software and expertise, Grant created a robust portfolio that helped his consultancy thrive. His team has completed over 100 implementations in 5 years, streamlining operations for various manufacturers. The key to success: integrating business processes and eliminating data silos critical for efficient operations. During the implementation, alignment with the client's needs is essential to ensure a successful project outcome. The typical implementation phase takes about 6 to 8 weeks, no small endeavor for busy manufacturers. Consultants play a crucial role. They simplify the process, allowing clients to focus on their operations. One pivotal moment for Grant was discovering MRPeasy, a user-friendly Mr. P/ERP system designed specifically for manufacturers. MRPeasy's intuitive platform revolutionized how manufacturing software integrates into daily operations with seamless workflows. Through MRPeasy, manufacturers gain visibility into production timelines and inventory management in an unprecedented manner. Many clients produce diverse products, and MRPeasy's features accommodate complex configurations with ease. In working with MRPeasy, Grant appreciated its responsiveness and the ability to customize features to client needs. With technology trends evolving, Grant sees a shift as manufacturers increasingly embrace digital solutions like MRPeasy. An ongoing commitment to client success, Business Solution Providers ensures continuous support post-implementation. We're in an era where speed and teamwork must align. MRPeasy enables this for modern manufacturers, states Grant.